Hi viewers, welcome to Heal Your Soul. Thank you for watching. So today it is a collective reading. So I will pull 3 cards from this deck. Based on the 3 cards clarifies, the reading will go on. So actually this time I want to complete one card reading because I want to keep the timestamps so that whatever energies we are going to get, at least one energy is matching, that person can watch that complete reading in that timestamp. Till now I am mixing that, so it is difficult to give the timestamps. So people need to watch complete reading, but now it is like we are getting mostly different energies. So I thought it is better to do first completing one energy, after that we will go to next energy, after that we will go to next energy, and in the final conclusion I will put in the conclusion timestamp also. There you will understand whether the 3 energies are matching in one anyway or not. Okay, when you get the energy messages resonating with you, you will understand whether it is matching with you or not. Okay, so let's pull 3 cards for today's situation or the energies, today's energies. Okay, so I want 3 cards. One more card. Only one card. I think we got 3 cards. Let's see. So Knight of Pentacles, 6 of Cups, and the Moon card. So your Knight of Pentacles is very honest, trustworthy, loyal person who want to. They are not ready for the committed kind of relationship or long-term relationship, but there is a potential for this person. If they think that okay, it can be long-term, if they trust that situation, if they trust that process or project, if they trust that relationship, if they trust that person, then they are not they won't hesitate to make it a long term, that kind of energy. Okay, but in the initially this person is very stable, very honest, very grounded, but they cannot give you long term commitment. In the initially they won't give commitment because of the reason is they are very honest, so they cannot promise something which they cannot give you. In the initially they will move very slowly. Knight of Pentacle energy is a very slow moving energy where they want everything in a clear way. They want to see the situation or process, how it is going, where it will go, how it will lead, and in that process whether they are not going to satisfied or not, whether everything happening in the right manner or not, whether the people whoever involved in that they are honest, trustworthy, faithful, loyal or not, because whatever they are investing they want a return for it. They don't want to invest somewhere where they are going to lose something. Okay, they don't want to waste their energy, their pentacles, their time, even though their feelings. Okay, that is also one reason wherever they are investing, they take time to understand the things in a clear way, in a deeper level, to move to the next levels. That is, maybe it is like long term time kind of thing. So this, because of that, this person is very slow moving type, but we can believe this person. This person is very trustworthy, honest. We can believe this offer also. Whatever offer they are going to give, we can believe that offer because they don't. This Knight of Pentacle is not like a player or a in and out kind of energy. If they are in, they will be for it. Okay, that kind of So here I want to pull 3 cards for Knight of Pentacle. As I said, I am not going to explain these 2 cards. We will come next to these 2 cards so that I can keep the timestamps for this Knight of Pentacle energy. Okay, so that whoever watching, whoever think that this energy is matching, they can watch that reading in that timestamp. So clarify this Knight of, don't jump. Clarify the Knight of Pentacles. 3 cards. 1 more card. Knight is very slow, so clarify the Knight of Pentacles with 1 more card. But cards are they are jumping. So here this Knight of Pentacle is going to doing some kind of inner work, I can say, or they are seeking for some kind of truth. As I said, this person is a very loyal and honest person. That is also one reason when they are making any kind of moves or decisions, they will see the situation completely. They go through the situation completely, or they try to see the truth, facts. Here I think this person is seeking some kind of truth, whether it is about themselves, whether it is about the situation, whether it is about the connection, whether it is about the other person, whoever they are involved. They are in the journey of searching for some kind of truths. They want to find out some truth, some facts, which are going to help them to have this new beginning. 8 of Wands is nothing but having some kind of passionate new beginnings. Whether it is in the matters of career related, whether it is in the matters of romantic relationship, okay, passionate beginnings. I think here there is no cups, so now as of now we will take it in a professional way, because Knight is there and Pentacle is there and Wands is there. So here business proposal kind of thing, career related matters. So this person, if at all they want to offer any kind of business proposal to someone also, before doing that, they want to check all the facts. They want to find the truths about that other person. If at all they want to offer business opportunity, they want to find all the facts about the situation and the other person, whether they are trustworthy or not. So now they are doing that. They are finding the truths. They are finding whether it is going to work out or not. They are seeking for the truth or finding the facts in the situation, because they want to start something new. They want to have this 8 of Wands energy. They want this new beginning, successful new beginning. They don't want to fail in this beginning. Whatever opportunities they are going to offer to someone, because Knight of Pentacle is offering someone some opportunity, whether it is business proposal or whether it is relationship manner, which is not long term, but there is a potential to become a long term commitment or long term project. So for that they are finding the fact. They want this successful beginning in this project. They don't want to give up on it. No matter what happens, they don't want to give up on this situation, or they don't want to give up on this connection, or they don't want to give up on this project. They want to give a last shot. They want to try last time, because 9 of Wands is the last battle. They want to try this last time, and this last time they want to have this victory, because 8 of Wands is how that successful new beginning. That is also one reason this person is moving very slowly, finding all the facts and truths regarding this situation or the person whomever they involved in this, so that they can have this successful new beginning without failure. They don't want to fail in it. So let's see the outcome of this Knight of Pentacles. Outcome for the Knight of Pentacles, 3 cards. I think we got 3 cards. So here outcome for this Knight of Pentacles is Eight of Swords in the reverse, Justice in the reverse, Ace of Cups is in the reverse. I think whatever inner work or whatever truth they are seeking, whatever facts they are finding, because of that they are coming out of that mental blocks. Whatever doubts, whatever self-doubt maybe, or fears, any kind of doubts regarding the situation, regarding the person who, whatever they are seeking the truth about that situation, if at all they have any kind of blockages, it is like mental blockages where they are unable to see the things clearly, they are coming out of it because they are finding the truth. So after finding all these truth, it will help them to come out of this Eight of Swords energy, which is like a blank, complete darkness. They are coming out of that cloudy thing, cloudy mind, I can say, foggy brain, or that mental blocks, whatever fears, mental blocks they may be having regarding the situation, they are going to come out of it. And Eight of Wands became, it is like a Justice in the reverse. I think it is Eight of Wands is some ongoing project. This person is already dealing with some project, or I can say they may be having some relationship already which is in the process, and they want to invest in that relationship because they don't want to give up on that relationship. But here, whether it is a project or work project or relationship, they don't want to give up. They want to have some new successful beginning in it. But the Justice is in the reverse. That means they are not going to have this Eight of Wands beginning, that whatever successful beginning they want, they are not going to have, because they may be having somewhere, the new beginning will be somewhere, not in this same situation, because Eight of Wands is in the same situation which is already existed, which is already moving, going on. But here Justice in the reverse, so they are not going to get justice in this situation, I can say. That is also one reason Justice is in the reverse. Anyway, they are going to find the facts. That is also one reason they are coming out of that mental blocks or whatever doubts they may be having regarding this situation. And Nine of Wands clarified with this outcome is Ace of Cups. That is nothing but this person behaved a little bit stubborn, because Nine of Wands is some kind of stubbornness. They want to have this new beginning, whatever project going on or whatever connection they are already in situation. Whatever situation they are dealing, they want to have that new beginning. They want to move that project in a successful way. That situation, they want to take that situation to give that new successful beginning to that situation. They took that stand. They want to give that last chance or last shot to make that successful. But it is not going to happen, because as I said, Justice is in the reverse. Maybe because of their karmas, whatever it is, because of that karma, they are not going to have new beginning here. They are not going to have successful beginning here, but they will be having somewhere new beginning. Because of stubbornly they are trying, they are going to lose the love in this situation. There won't be any kind of love in this situation, because we are seeing that this situation is completely going to fail. It is not going to get in their favor, but still this person is stubborn. They want to get it in their favor. They want to give that new beginning in this situation, that new successful beginning in that situation. And because of that, they are going to lose the love. Whatever love in this situation they may be having, they are going to lose that love. Because here this person is behaving very stubbornly. Because of that stubbornness, this situation is going to lose the love. Whatever love will be there in this situation, it will be drained. That love won't be there. So now let's move to the Six of Cups energy. So here Six of Cups is like a nostalgic card, or remembering our past memories, which is very good memories. Most of the time it is a very good memory. Six of Cups is completely a childhood memories, or people whom we shared our childhood, or where we spent our time, like became kids again, that kind of energy. So here someone is sharing this kind of relationship, six of cups energy, where two people are like siblings or family members or soul level people, soul level connections, who understand each other in a soul level without having any kind of jealousy, evil thoughts, bad thoughts, benefits kind of energy. It is pure energy, purity is there, generous will be there, that kindness will be there, that innocence will be there in this situation. Okay, so whoever dealing with this kind of energy, this energy is going to match you. Okay, or simply you may be dealt with this energy and now you may be going through some kind of nostalgia about that relationship, but anyway it is happened in your life, at least it is current, still existed, or it is happened in the past, which is very pure relation without expecting anything. So let's get the clarifies for this Six of Cups. 3 clarifies for the Six of Cups energy. Three clarifies. So here the clarifies for Six of Cups is Knight of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Six of Wands. So here this person, whoever in the Six of Cups energy, who is very much happy, who is in the connection with soul family, or at least with their siblings, in the family, very good atmosphere. So clarifies for this person is Knight of Swords, which is this person is very much young, youthful energy, very communicative, leadership qualities, very passionate person, or this person is, it is like they are ready to take the action, they are ready to make that move, they are ready to get what they want, that kind of energy. But it is a Knight of Swords, that means little bit immature energy. Even though it is an immature energy, it is like when it become king, they will know the balance, I can say. Here this person don't know the balance, or don't know when to act. It doesn't mean that they are in the negative energy. They are using in a Knight of Swords is using their energy in the right way, but they need a little bit more maturity. As of now, this person energy is little bit immature, because they have a lot of passion, lot of courage, lot of good communication, or I can say lot of confidence, but how to get 100% successful with that energies, for that they need little bit more maturity. That kind of energy. But this person is like a go-getter, like a hero, soldier, they are ready for the fight, that kind of energy. And this person, I think they are juggling with a lot of things in their life currently, or they may be having multiple jobs, they may be having multiple careers, or they may be having family and work and personal life, professional life balancing, or at least multiple people to deal with. So this person anyway, they are very much focused on it, and they are trying to balance the things, because Two of Pentacles is balancing the things, juggling with the things, I can say. And here I think whatever they are juggling, whatever they are dealing with multiple things, they are completely focused on it. So that is also one reason they are feeling victorious. That means they are well balancing the things, whatever it is. They are having multiple things, multiple tasks, whether it is a job, whether it is a relationships, or personal and professional. They are handling very well, they are balancing very well, they are not losing the focus, and they are feeling victorious in that situation. Whatever happening in their life, in the current situation. They are feeling very much victorious, or at least whatever they are doing, in that they are getting successful in that, because they have a lot of confidence. That is also one reason they are easily handling the Two of Pentacles without losing that focus, even though they are a immature person. Immature means they need more maturity, but still they are doing it very well. They are handling the things very well. They are balancing the things very well. They are not losing that grip, and they are feeling successful whatever they are doing, whatever action they are taking, whatever the decisions they are making, whatever situations they are handling. Even though that is a multitasking things, they are still coming out as a victorious person. They are winning it. Whatever they are taking, they are winning at it. They are not losing it. At least in their perception, they are getting successful without losing the focus. Whatever they want to get the outcome, they are getting successful, not losing it. That is also one reason they are feeling like a victorious person. So let's see the outcome of this Six of Cups. Outcome for the Six of Cups. 3 cards for outcome. I think we got 3 cards. So outcome for the Six of Cups energy is Ace of Pentacles in the reverse, Ace of Wands in the reverse, 4 of Pentacles in the reverse. So here this person is immature, as we said, even though they are very passionate, very courageous, ready to take action, ready to go and get the things. Very passionate person towards whatever they are doing, and very communicative, but there is lack of some maturity. Okay. So because of that, they are not going to get much opportunities, I can say, or they are not going to get new beginnings in their life because of their immaturity, because they need to grow up. Knight is a good card, but it's a youth card. Here they may be expecting some new beginning, which is required little bit more maturity. So here, because of this immature nature, they are going to lose new opportunities, new beginnings in their life. Whether it is related to financial matters, whether it is related to personal matters. I think here this person is very much into business or money-minded person, because here also 2 cards, here Wands, here Wands. There is no cups in this reading except the 6 of Cups in the above. So this person is very much into money, finances, and passion. Okay, it is passion is also like a career oriented, business or profession, work. So here they are not going to get any kind of new beginnings because of their immaturity, because they know how to show the passion and all, but they need little bit more mature to complete the task in a successful way. Or they need direction, I can say, because they are still Knight. That means youthful energy. Youth needs some direction. One matured person who can direct them in the right way. So here that direction is not there. So because of that lack of direction, I can say, they won't be having any new beginnings. And here they are very well handling multiple things or multitasking, whether it is coming to their professional life or personal life, whatever they have, they are handling very well. That is also one reason I think they are unable to concentrate on this new beginnings in the creative way. Or they won't be having any passion. They are going to lose that passion, because when one person is very much juggling with so many things, they cannot think about any other things, and that will slowly make us to lose the passion. So here, because of these juggling things, they are going to lose that passion. Even when it comes to new beginnings also, they are not going to show passion towards new things or new beginnings, or at least whatever they are doing, in that they want to change anything, they want to do anything passionately also, they cannot do it. They want to create something new also, they cannot do it, because of this juggling, they are unable to use their creativity skill, I can say, because Ace of Wands is passionate card, creativity card, where they are unable to use because of this juggling nature. And here this person is feeling anyway whatever they are doing, they are very much feeling happy or victorious, at least whatever they have, with that they are feeling very much victorious. That is also one reason why this Four of Pentacles is in the reverse. That means they won't be clingy towards anything. They won't be clingy towards their financial things, or they won't be clingy towards I want more or I don't want to lose this, that kind of energy, because they are not looking for more new things, or any kind of new beginnings is not happening, any kind of new creativity things are not happening. But here the successful thing what they are getting is they are not feeling clingy towards anything in their life. If at all they have any kind of clingy nature in the past, they are not going to have that. They are going to lose that because of whatever they are having currently in their life, whatever they are situation they are dealing, they are very much happy in that situation, or they feel victorious. And so because of that victory, they are not going to feel clingy towards anything. They are losing this clingy. And one more way I can say that here, if at all it is completely related financial matters, this person dealing multiple things already, so they cannot take any kind of new beginnings because of their immaturity and because there are so many things. So they are they are not in a place to create something new. They are not in a place to think creatively. That is also one reason they are going to lose some materialistic things, I can say, or materialistic gains. That is nothing but new business proposals they cannot take, or some new creatively they cannot do, which is going to make them to lose some money. Okay. But anyway, in the situation I can say this person is a victorious person, because whatever they are doing, they are very much happy in that, and they are very much good at it, whatever they are doing. So let's see the clarifies for the Moon card. Clarify the Moon card. I hope we got 3 cards. So here the Moon card is a very secretive card. Some kind of fears, anxieties, some kind of wounds, some kind of dreams, psychic abilities. It is a completely secretive card. So here we cannot say what is happening in this between this people, because here the clarifies for this Moon card is Queen of Cups, 7 of Wands, 10 of Wands. It is completely different energies. Here Queen of Cups is a very self-loving person who know how to love themselves, or mastered in self-love, self-care, and they equally give that love to others. They keep surroundings with loving, caring. They treat people very loving, caring way, or it is like a motherly energy, motherly, nurturing, caring person who take care of everyone as a mother figure, I can say. Okay, or they are very good at handling people as a mother because they show that love. And when it comes to 7 of Wands energy, this person is very immature, I can say, or very stubborn, who don't want to give up on the things, who don't want to understand the things clearly. They just want to protect the things. It is like a very good protector, but sometimes it may be in the wrong way also. They don't see what they are protecting. They feel stubborn, they become stubborn, and they want to protect whatever they think that it is theirs. They want to try to protect, and they think that they want to protect something, they will protect instead of looking things in the deeper level. That kind of energy. This person a little bit more maturity, and this person won't give up that easily. They are very stubborn. That's what, very stubborn or very strong-willed person who want everything. If at all they want to do something, they will do it, even though it is a wrong thing. Even everyone is telling that it is not good, you should not do it. Still they will do it because they are stubborn. They want to do it means they will do it. That kind of energy. They won't think whether it is a good thing or bad thing, whatever they are doing. When they are protecting, they won't think because of protecting that it is benefit for them or it is going to harm them. They don't think in that way. They want to protect it, they will go and protect it. That kind of energy. 7 of Wands. They won't give up. And here 10 of Wands is completely a different energy, where this person is very much burdened, very much, it is like a very responsible person. There are so many responsibilities on their shoulders, where they are unable to move forward in their life. Or I can say that one way, they lost their way. Because of that burdens, they don't know where they are going, because they are unable to move properly. They are unable to move forward in their life. Either they are stuck or they are lost in their way. That energy. So here in this moon card clarification, I think 3 people are there. We will see how they are going to relate to other piles at least, or it is an individual pile. So 3 energies are completely different. One is very motherly kind of nature person who know how to love themselves. It is mastered self-love and self-care. One is very stubborn person who don't want to give up on the things, even though they are going to get lose. They know that there is a big zero in the end, but still they want to fight for it, or they want to protect it. And this person is, they don't know how to handle or how to maintain the balance. That is also one reason they took all the burdens on their shoulders, which is not good. It is like sacrificing themselves for the responsibilities, for the people who depend on them. That energy. So let's get the outcome for this moon card. What is the outcome for this moon card? 3 cards. One more card. Cards came. Let's take one more card. Outcome for the moon. So here the outcome for the moon is 3 of Pentacles, Ace of Swords, and the World card. So 3 of Pentacles is for Queen of Cups. That means this person is self-loving person. So they are working on themselves, I can say. This Queen of Cups is completely working on themselves. They are concentrating on themselves, or their career, or their personal life, their whatever they have. They are working on themselves. They are not concentrating in other things. They are simply keep putting their efforts, giving time, spending their time on working, whether it is professional matters, if they are working on any kind of projects, they are working on it. This person is very hardworking person, I can say, or at least they want to start something in their life in which they are working already. They are started and they are working. Here more than that, I can say that because of this Queen of Cups, it's a self-love card. They are working on themselves more than any projects. This person, Queen of Cups, is completely working on themselves. They are putting their efforts, time, hard work, everything on themselves. And when it comes to 7 of Wands, the outcome is Ace of Swords. As I said, this person is very stubborn person. They don't care what they are protecting. They don't care whether it is a good thing or bad thing. They simply want to protect, they will protect. They simply want to, they won't give up, even they don't know, they know that it is a bad thing. Even people tell that it is not a good thing, but still they want to invest their time, invest their hard work. They don't want to give up on this. So this person, Ace of Swords came. This person is going to see some truth, or they are going to know about some truth in this situation. Whatever they are protecting, Seven of Wands energy, whatever they want to protect, they will come to know about some truth, or in that situation they will get some kind of clarity where they are going to give up on that, because this person is not going to give up. But here they need to understand the things. So I think that clarity is going to come towards this person, because as I said, the Moon card is completely secretive card. These people don't know about the things, I can say, or it is completely, they need to reveal some secrets in their life. So that kind of energy. So here this person is going to get the truth, or I can say clarity about the situation, whatever situation they don't want to give up. So after getting this clarity, they will be having new beginning somewhere, or because here they want to protect something. Instead of having that new beginnings, they are not concentrating on anything. They want to simply don't want to lose something, and they are protecting it. But they may be having some new beginnings in their life, which they need to give the time and effort to that new beginnings. But because of lack of clarity, they are unable to do that. They are going to get that clarity. And here Ten of Wands energy person is, they need to end this cycle. Whatever cycle they are in, it is, this cycle is making them very burdensome. Whether it is a personally they are having any kind of responsibilities on their shoulders regarding their family or work related matters, they need to end this cycle. This Ten of Wands energy need to be end in this person's life. So whoever matching with this energy, end this cycle, drop these burdens. Okay, this Ten of Wands energy need to drop that burden, because that cycle is going to end. They are going to enter in a new cycle. So even though they know it or not, it is going to happen, because it is a Moon card. Maybe these people don't know about it. These people are going to know about it. It will come into the light, I can say, because now it is in the abstract level or secretive. They are still don't know about these things. This person is going to get the clarity, and this person is going to end this cycle, this Ten of Wands cycle. They need to end this. They need to put that burdens. Whether any kind of relationship also they are carrying, which is making them this kind of burdensome, that relationship is going to end. That cycle is going to end. They are not going to carry this burden for very long. And this person, Queen of Cups, whether they know it or not, because of their self-love, self-care, the love, whatever they are giving themselves, giving others, it is simply working for them. They are working on themselves. It is working positively for them. So let's conclude the reading. Here, whoever this Knight of Pentacles, who want to give last shot the situation, whatever they are dealing, because they have hope for that situation will be having long term success. So they want to give one more chance, one last chance, not one more chance, it is like one last chance. And anyway, in that they are not going to get successful, because justice is in the reverse. Maybe in this situation they need to end, but this person is trying, because they are a kind of warrior, they don't want to give up. So stubborn nature. Knight of Pentacles is one kind of stubborn, and Nine of Wands also one kind of stubborn nature, that I want to get this success anyway. So anyway, it is not going to work out because of the karma. Especially here, justice is in the reverse. So because of the karma, that situation is not going to have a new beginning, successful beginning. Because in this situation, while they are trying to have that new beginning, they are going to lose that love. I think in this situation, love is needed, but they are going to lose that love. But anyway, in that process, what they are going to get is they are going to come out of all these fears, insecurities, mental blocks, whatever they are dealing. They will come out of this darkness. This situation is going to help them to come out of this darkness. And when it comes to Six of Cups energy, I think someone is very much clingy towards this energy, this connection. They are dealing with Six of Cups connection. They are very clingy because it is a very pure and it is child kind of energy. So they don't want to give up, but anyway, the cycles will be going to end. We need to end some things. We cannot keep everything for our whole life. So here, this person don't want to give up on this connection. They are very clingy towards this connection, I can say. Or they are clingy towards their success or their money. So they are unable to have this kind of connection. But when they are going to lose that, they are going to lose that money, they are going to lose that passion, maybe it's some kind of unsuccess they will get, because they are going to lose these new beginnings. They are going to lose new beginnings in the career related matters as well as romantic or personal relationship matters also, because they are very clingy towards this. They are juggling. Two of Pentacles is nothing but they are juggling. They want this relationship as well as they want some new beginnings, but they need to leave. Only they need to have one thing. But anyway, for some time they will feel like they are getting successful, they are victorious because they are handling everything very well. But in the end, because of this juggling, they are not going to get any kind of new beginnings, whether it is in the relationship matters, whether it is in the career related matters. But in this situation, even though they are losing some new beginnings, they are going to learn something. They will be victorious. Still they are going to be victorious, because finally, after dealing with all these things, they are finally becoming, whether they are becoming generous or not, different thing, they are leaving this clingy nature. They are coming out of this clingy nature, because this person is very clingy. Maybe that is also one reason they don't want to leave this relationship. The Six of Cups energy, or that child kind of nature, child friendships, child connections, soul connection, whatever they think that they are from their childhood, and they want to juggle with them. They don't want to leave that. They want to juggle, but because of that juggling, they lose everything in the career and personal. Finally, they are leaving their clingy nature towards this Six of Cups energy. They will be victorious. They will be having victory, but not handling, juggling in the things. They simply leave that clingy nature. That is also very good thing. Leaving these insecurities. This clingy nature is nothing but having some kind of fear of losing, insecurities, that kind of energies. They are going to, in this process, they are going to lose that insecurities and fears. They will become free, I can say. Because here also this person is not free. They are very much busy in juggling the things. Here in the end they are going to become free. And moon energy, whoever dealing in this moon energy, still they are don't know the outcome, I can say here, people. So here still they are trying. This person is completely loving themselves, concentrating on themselves. So they are going to get some kind of project, or at least they are going to get some kind of benefits for that. Whatever their work they are doing on themselves, they will be getting something in the return for that hard work. And whoever this stubborn person, they are going to get the clarity about the situation. They are going to leave. Then after getting this clarity, they are going to leave this stubborn nature, and they are going to give up on this situation, because this person may be having some other things. They need to deal with some other things. But here this person is completely focusing on some other thing. And this person is going to end up these burdens, because the cycle is anyway going to close. So they will become energetic again, because this person lost their courage, their energy, everything, their hope, I can say. They lost everything. After ending this cycle, they will be having some new beginnings. Ten of Wands is burden. It is ending the cycle. That means they are going to put that burden down, so that they can start their life in a new way. So here I cannot say that how they are related. After watching the reading, you can see and you can match the energies, you can match the messages if the messages are resonating. After watching all the energies, you can find out whether you are dealing some of the energies in this reading, so that you can get clear clarity. I think here Knight of Pentacles will get clarity, because whatever they are putting effort, it is going to get waste, because they have some other new beginning somewhere else. And anyway, this reading is completely, I think these people need to learn something. Here this Knight of Pentacles need to come out of that mental blocks. So whatever efforts they are putting in this situation, that will help them to come out of these mental blocks. And here, whoever clingy towards this Six of Cups energy, anyway they are losing new beginnings in their life, but still they will be victorious, because they are living that clingy nature. They won't be clingy towards this Six of Cups energy. And this Moon card, completely whatever they are putting efforts for that, they are getting in the return something. Okay. So I hope this energies, at least for 3 people or more than 3 people, it is going to match. It will help them in some way. So thank you for watching. For more readings, you can like and subscribe. For personal readings, you can mail me. You will find the details in the description.